Hello my wonderful kids. Are you excited to learn something new today? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a beautiful Sundae cup for you because it's summertime and in summers we all love to have something cool like ice creams, cups, shakes and many more. So let's get started. For this I had picked one A4 sheet. You can take your sketchbooks or drawing notebooks, whatever you have. Now let's start. So first I'm going to make a cup. For the cup, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a line which is not straight, little curvy, very little, like this. Try to keep the pencil as much light as you can so that you can erase if there is any problem. Now turning both the ends little downwards and bringing this line like this to give a shape of a cup. So ये नीचे आ गया and now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a base for this cup like this. So the cup is ready. Now once your cup is ready, it's time to add ice cream on it. So for first scoop, what I'm going to do, I will make like this and then the shape of the melted ice cream curve like this. It's very simple. And then the another scoop with the swirl pattern. So for this 3 leaves kind of and taking it upward like this. Make it little twisted. As you had seen in the nagri, when they gave us the cone na, at that time you had seen on the top of it. So just give a look like this. And then one more scoop on the top of it. So there will be a round scoop on it and having a cherry on the top. I know all of you love cherries. So like this, I will add a cherry on the top. And again, I will add some design in it. So this way, it's ready. Now, to make it more beautiful, I'm going to add some wafy like this. And then make a design of a net inside it. So this way you can make it. You can even use your scales also. I'm going to use your scales if you want. Here I'm going to add one sticks, twisted one. Because when you see a chocolate stick now, it is having design like this only. So till here it's complete. Now I will add some circles. Seems like a topping it is. And then some patterns inside it to give more real look. So here my ice cream with the scoops are ready. Now the next part is to add black marker on it. So for that what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight my sketch part with the black marker. And while doing this, you have to be very careful that your markers just run over the lines only. Okay. So be slow, be gentle with the lines. And go slowly. Oops. Once you finish with the sketching, the next part is to add on colors inside this. But before adding colors, we have to do one more thing. And that is to make it look more beautiful, we have to erase the lines which are visible, the pencil lines which are visible in your artwork. So for that, going slowly. Now with the help of the eraser, I'm going to rub the extra lines which are visible. Like this way, work is complete. And for the colors, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add crayons. You can even use your sketch pens, brush pens, or any type of colors, whatever you have. So don't worry about the ki ma'am has showed me the crayons, I will use only crayons. It is up to you. What colors you have, you can use it. But be careful while filling the colors, because if you go outside the boundaries, it will look messy. So see, as I'm doing my colors like in a position of up and down, so that my artwork looks beautiful and neat. Here, this green is done. Now some brown, like this way. We have to fill our Sundae cup with our own favorite colors. Looking beautiful. Now it's time to add color in the cherry. And as the cherries are red, stick with the red. So adding some brown to give a little shade. Once this is done, we have to add some toppings, dots, some sprinkles. Now, to make it look more beautiful, black inside the cup. I'm going to keep the cup white, transparent, because the Sundae cup are mostly white in color, so that the Sundae looks more beautiful when it's been served. But if you want, you can even fill your Sundae cup also with any of the shade, whichever you want. So like this way, I had finished my Sundae cup. And now what I'm going to do, the most important part, that I'm going to write here that I love KidsNagri, like this. And don't you forget to write this on your paper too. Keep creating, keep making your Sundae cup as beautiful as you can. Till then, bye-bye. See you in the next video.